Okay, so as you saw from the previous clips, the first thing I did was I drew 2 circles onto just an A4 size piece of white paper. And I used a pencil for this. And you want to draw a circle that's pretty big, and then you want to draw another circle that is slightly smaller. And if you struggle drawing out circles like me, then you can trace around something circular like I did. So I just use this lid here to trace this circle. And then I just use this roll of tape here to trace the smaller circle. Or you can probably also use a compass as well. I have a compass over here. That's what they look like. And this circle here is about as big as my palm, and that should be big enough. And then this one is just slightly smaller, as you can see. But really just make them like whatever size you want, but obviously like make sure that one circle is smaller than the other. And then next what I did was I drew on the panda's face just using a black and pink felt tip pen. And I was inspired by the actual panda bun squishies, and here is the image here that I used as reference. Yeah, it didn't turn out exactly like it, but I tried my best. I think it's pretty cute. See, I was obviously inspired by the actual panda bun squishies. But you can of course draw on whatever face you want for yours. And probably also look at like pictures of the actual panda bun squishies for inspiration. And then once you've done that, we can move on to the next step. So next what I did was I just covered both circles completely with some clear tape, just to protect them of course. And annoyingly some of the tape did have some dirt stuck to it, so as you can see there are probably some marks on this side, but there's nothing really I can do about that now. So anyways, and then next what I did was I just cut them out just using my scissors. So now you should have 2 circles ready. And you don't have to cover the back with clear tape if you don't want to. I decided not to do that for mine. But you can also cover the back if you want to. And then once you have both parts ready, we can move on to the next step. here is what the finished squishy looks like. And again, you saw from the previous clips basically how I taped it all together and then left a small opening so that I could put some cotton balls inside of it. And by the way, you do not have to use cotton balls. You can use polyester stuffing or teddy bear stuffing if you want to, or you can even use a plastic bag, which would probably make it quite a bit squishier, because as you can see, this isn't really squishy. Well, it is, but it's not slow rising. But yeah, I think stuffing is probably the best option for this, because I think it makes it a lot more slow rising. But cotton balls were all that I had on me, so I just had to use them. And then I just taped up the opening just using some more clear tape. And also I ended up having to add some more tape to this circle here on the back, because I accidentally taped it on with the tape side facing down, if that makes sense. So I ended up having to add some tape to the other side to protect it. But in the end, I think it worked out pretty good. I think it is pretty adorable. Sorry, it's not very slow rising, but still it's quite squishy. I think the face is really cute. I think it looks pretty close to the actual squishies. And again, I will get up the image again that I was inspired by. So this is what I was inspired by. And again, you can draw on whatever face you want for yours. I hope this tutorial was easy enough to understand, even though I didn't really talk for like most of it, but still hopefully you could see what I was doing. And also, I'm not sure where I got the method of taping the squishy together. I'm pretty sure I got this method from Chelsea DIY, because she made like quite a few paper squishy tutorials. So I might have gotten this method from her. I'm not really sure. But I think it worked out really good. And I still didn't do the neatest job ever with the tape, but still it's good enough for me. I'm slowly getting better at these, like I say, with all of my paper squishy tutorials. But yeah, foam squishies are definitely more my thing. This is why I don't make paper squishies as often. But I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And also, if you want me to do more paper squishy tutorials, then please comment down below. And also, please feel free to comment some requests as well for any squishy tutorials in the comments below as well. And also, thank you so much to this person for requesting this. Sorry, I can't remember your name, so I'm going to have to look up your name and then put it on the screen. Yeah, I think this is pretty cute. Really like his little tongue sticking out. And also it's up to you if you want to add on a bow as well to make it a girl version. But I made a boy version, so it has no bow. So yep, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and as always, please feel free to request any more squishy tutorials you'd like me to do in the comments below. And also please feel free to request some more paper squishy tutorials as well, because I would really like some more ideas. And yep, so thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.